Okay, so this is day 3. I think there is still nothing to report in terms of the grass, but you can see how dry the soil is. It's pretty dry, although some places are still keeping some moisture in it, but it's dry just about like 1 centimeter deep, so that's fine with me. I'm going to put some water on the lawn on the left and also on the right this time. However, the level of moisture below the canvas is pretty amazing. So it's still keeping the moisture in the soil even in these very sunny days we have here in Czech for last 3-4 days. The average temperature is about 28 degrees during the day, and it's pretty sunny here. So what is happening, just for recap, right side of the field, as you can see, of my new lawn I'm trying to build the grass on, is actually covered by the canvas. It's a plastic canvas, non-breathable, so it's actually waterproof, and the left side of the field is kept canvas free. And we have a summer here, and it's pretty sunny, so every day. So the experiment is which half comes up with the green first, left or right. I do a watering of the field every day of this area, of the left side of the field. The right one I water just once because there is still enough moisture underneath, and it's amazing. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually pretty moistured. So looks very promising, in my opinion, that this field might be the winner, but who knows? Yeah, so keep tuned and see ya tomorrow. Cheers. And I just took the cover off the plastic canvas, and you can see how dry, how actually wet the soil is comparing to the half of the left. So this one is pretty nice and moistured, and it was here under the canvas for about 2 days, and there was like a sunny days, very hot, exposed to the sun whole day, and look at this, it's perfect. It's perfect. All right, just for comparison, you can see the line where was the canvas. Canvas was on the left, and open free area, sorry, canvas on the right, open free area on the left, and the level of moisture is amazing. Perfect.